In today's video, I will show you how to download and install new fonts so you can use them inside Affinity Designer. This is a super simple process, and once you know it, you can completely change the look and style of your designs in just a few minutes. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you need to download the fonts you want to use. So go here to the Google Fonts or wherever you like. And right here in Google Fonts, you will choose which font you like. So I will go with this one, BBH Bartle. Click on that, and here click on Get Font. Download all, like so. Now we will need to uh, unzip it. So just a moment that I open up right here. I will go to unzip it. So now we have this zip extractor. Now what we need to do, here you have a TTF data, so click on that and it will open up something like that. What you can do is just press here the button install, and this will install your text into your computer. Now we download it to our computer. This is now open up the Affinity Designer. Go here to text, where it is, right here. Put something like this text text tool, and here we will find BBH Bartle, which we just downloaded, and type in some text which you would want to. So, and that's it. This is how you install the font on your computer and then use it in Affinity Designer. I hope this video helped you out. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and find the style that fits your project best. If this helped you out, consider to like and subscribe. It will help a lot. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.